We are now in the butterfly tour in Aruba. We did one in Panama, which is really nice. This is a butterfly. You can screen up. Christy! Wait on me, honey. Please. Everybody ran off and left me. Where did he go? Oh, look how they're in the cocoons.
They're blue when they open up stuff.
Or what?
See, they're in the cocoons. Where'd our tour guide go? Huh?
To get other people.
He what?
Saying to get other people. I'd love to have something like this in my backyard.
We could do it, honey.
All this greenery.
All I gotta do is don't cut our grass for months.
Huh?
All I gotta do is just not cut our grass for months. Where is he coming back? We supposed to wait right here?
They're not real though.
Yeah, they are, honey.
Why they got pins in them then?
You could tell these are real. Wait,
Open one up.
Are they owned?
Alright, I'll be stationed here. Yes. I think this is it. I think this is everyone. Egg to caterpillar to pupa to the butterfly. If you have any questions, please let me know during the tour. After the tour, you can ask me right away. This is my first couple of days on the job, so I may not know everything, but I'm gonna try to answer.
on my face. I just didn't want it on my face. Sorry.
You have to make a wish. The wish still counts. Oh.
I made her my wish already.
Yes.
Stop freaking out!
I just don't want it on my face.
2 of the 35 species are local and the rest are imported from all around the world. So I want to start with the first life stage of the butterfly, and that's the egg. So I'm going to show you right now how the egg looks like. Those yellow dots, those are the eggs.
Oh my god, they're so
Oh, it's so
They're
tiny.
super tiny.
Yeah. Hey, caterpillars.
Cool. That's the eggs.
Oh
Yeah.
wow.
They're really, really small. Sir, would you like
Is there
to
one
see?
on my neck?
They're really, really small. So the butterfly, an adult butterfly, a female butterfly, she has to lay the eggs on a host plant. If she doesn't, the caterpillar that will hatch will die because it doesn't have anything to feed itself. So they're very picky eaters, actually. So they have to go to the host plant, and then the caterpillar is born. Any questions about the egg? This one is a plant, passion fruit vine. There's specific plants that the butterfly, each species recognizes as its own, and then it lays its eggs. An egg takes about 2 to 6 days to hatch into a caterpillar. Yeah, very quick.
How often does a female lay eggs?
Actually, she lays them once in a lifetime.
What?
Yes. But actually, she can lay up to 500 eggs at once.
Wow. Oh, geez.
Or
okay.
for a couple of weeks, but she's only fertilized once.
Oh, interesting.
All right.
Do
So
they fertilize the same way?
So I'm going to go through the caterpillar now. I'm going to move on to the caterpillar. I can't find the caterpillar right now.
I think I can find it.
Where is it?
I just saw it.
Please help me find it because I can't.
There's another one. There's someone right there.
Yes, thank you so much. So this, as you guys can see,
Oh,
is
they're
the
so tiny.
caterpillar. Yes, they're babies.
Oh wow.
Oh, yeah,
There's
there's
like 3 of them right
Yes.
here.
Maybe you can use my glasses to write that.
As you guys can see, that's the caterpillar.
Caterpillar.
Cool.
Yes. And as you guys can see, it has spikes. The spikes on its body is its defense mechanism.
Yeah.
Every life stage of the butterfly or the moth has predators like snakes, frogs,
Sparrows.
yes, birds, ants, spiders. Think of everything you can. So they need a way to defend themselves. What?
No lion.
Well,
Butterflies?
I've never met a lion that eats butterflies before.
Maybe another butterfly.
No, they don't eat themselves. They're not cannibals.
Jesus.
So I would like to show you another one. This one's the Monarch.
Caterpillar.
Yeah, the Monarch Caterpillar. I think we're all familiar with the Monarch one. That's the orange one. That's like the standard one.
I watched a wild catch one of them.
Oh wow.
This is a milkweed plant. It has milk, and it's poisonous. That's
Is it poisonous to humans too?
It will make you sick. You won't die. You won't, but it will make you sick. If you rub it in your eyes, don't try this at home. You will be blinded for about 2 days.
Oh jeez.
Yes, in large quantities. So, yeah. So this is the Monarch Caterpillar, and it eats. They're eating machines. They don't stop eating. They all they do is eat and poop. So they're babies, but without the crying.
Yeah.
It's actually pooping right now.
How do you know? Oh, look.
Because there's like a yellow, green dot behind
Oh.
it.
Wow.
Yes.
I didn't shoot them. Where's the back?
That's a very good question. Another defense mechanism that this caterpillar in particular has, it looks like it has 2 heads because of the antenna in the back. But the large antenna on the front means that that's the head. So if a predator can't locate the head, it won't attack. Because they usually want to kill the head.
So it's like, it doesn't know, wait, is the head or is that the head? And then it gets to, oh my god, what's
Yes.
the head? And it just
Yes.
walks away.
Yes, correctly. Yes.
Wow. Look at that one.
That's huge. That looks a little far from the head.
Yeah. Can anyone guess what the defense mechanism of this one is?
The pointy. on
No,
the
that's
back.
just its butt. A cocoon is basically like an extra layer of protection for the chrysalis of the moth.
I watched those on YouTube.
Yes? I haven't. I'm new in the job, so.
And they also have a little bit less, they have a little skin that protects them developing in the egg.
Correct. Well, not the egg. We call it a chrysalis.
Or the
But yes.
butterfly.
Yes. So I will actually grab one. They're actually all real. This one's moving, I think.
Does that
You
mean
can
it's
touch it.
hatching?
No, it's just protecting itself. You can touch it. It's sort of the same material as your fingernails.
Oh, wow.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah.
Forgot what that was.
As the what?
I know. Let me finish.
As fingernails.
Bro, these
Drink it. Don't drink it. It's like sort of a DNA soup. It's not a good soup.
like the butterfly.
So once it's done to hatch, so once it's ready to hatch, it takes up to 3 to 6 weeks to hatch, depending on the species. It hatches, and it becomes a butterfly.
So it takes, so every butterfly is a different species.
Same time as adults. No one is born earlier than the other one or later than the other one.
So they never grow. They're born the size.
Yes, they are born the size they will be, and
Wow.
yes.
Cool.
This one's actually of the owl butterfly. This one, the owl caterpillar. You can see it has big bright eyes. That's also a defense mechanism. The blue morphose defense mechanism is that it changes color when it's exposed to sun, to sunlight,
Ooh, look
like
at
that
pretty.
one. Yes.
Oh, is that it? It's the blue one?
Yes.
Yeah.
It's
It was
not
that
as
color.
exposed as the sunlight right now,
That's interesting.
so it won't change color. But usually it changes color when it's flying.
When it's like in the sun and then it just, the butterfly
think
doesn't
this was
know
somebody.
it's changing its color.
Yes, it changes color, correct.
Did I
this one.
hire it?
Any questions about the caterpillar or the chrysalis that I can answer, perhaps? Yes.
Why is it like some are small and some are big? And
Oh, that's a very good question. When they hatch, they're like small. You know why? Because they're crumpled up in this little, like, it's like a
Egg?
womb. Yeah, and like a little egg.
hey, and why are those ones so
That's
small
what he's,
and then
that's what
those
he's
ones are
answering,
so
buddy.
big?
Listen.
I've already
Once
said
they
that.
are born, their wings are crumpled up and wet. They need to dry them off. So they hang upside down for about an hour, up to 3 hours.
Oh, so these are just hatched today?
Yes, these hatched this morning.
Interesting.
Yeah, we don't see them as often either because they're like at 6 o'clock in the morning. So yes, and they have to dry their wings off and then they're ready to fly. If they fly when their wings are still crumpled up, they will get damaged and they won't be able to fly.
So they're dead?
Not necessarily. These are cocoons, as I explained. The cocoons can take up to 9 months, a full human pregnancy, before it hatches. Yes. And the chrysalis takes up to 6 weeks, depending on the species. Any other questions? Any moms here? But the butterflies have a tongue. They don't have a mouth or teeth, and that tongue is called a proboscis. A proboscis they use to suck nectar out of flowers and drink alcohol out of fruits, because the fruit ferments after it's rotted. And the more alcohol, the more energy, and the more flying around. In order to find a mating partner, they mate, and the whole cycle starts all over again.
What's the difference of the 11 short of legs and then even more? What's the difference?
Between a caterpillar and a butterfly?
No, between their eating.
Where's fish? Because she loves her butterfly farms.
The fruit that sets out here, it rots.
Oh, okay. The oranges and the.
Got it. About 2 to 5%. So for a human, it's like.
I got a pretty one.
You love it, baby?
Oh, yeah.
But that's me and you. Your mama loves butterflies.
Yeah, that's the butterfly. So when it lands on the fruit or on this plant, just go like this. Don't touch the leaves, don't take it.
Alright, let's see.
Let's see if you're lucky, because they're really not in the morning. Sorry?
You don't want to land on you, huh?
That was landing on the sewers in the airport.
Panama? Yeah, they're jumping all over you, attacking you.
Stay still.
Look at that one. That one's cool looking.
They won't land though for some reason. I want a picture of the Wonder where else in the world has butterfly farms.
Everywhere, baby. You want to go to another one? Costa Rica, I guarantee, have one. They're drying their wings. I never knew that though. That's made out of stuff's fingernails made out of keratin. Cool. The birds. Little bluebird in there. He's over here now. Sky, look at the bird. Oh, that's a beautiful bird, man. You trying to get on land on you, Sky? Here, I'm hungry. Eat some of this fruit. Eat some of that. Gotta smell sweet for it to land on you, Sky.
I think it's a finger. Not with our hand.